الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده وعلى آله وأصحابه الذين أوفوا عهده. Zakat calculation form. First of all, fix a date according to the lunar calendar to be your annual zakat date, Islamic lunar zakat date. Now that the annual date has been fixed, calculate the total value of your wealth and assets in this date according to their market value in the following way. Number one, zakat table wealth: gold, silver, cash, bank balance, any debt which you are owed, any wealth being held as security, whatever amount has been paid towards an insurance policy, foreign money, bonds, provident fund, good bought for the purpose of trade, any property bought with the intention of resale, such as a house, shop, land, etc. Total amount. Number two, outgoings, any outstandings, debts, any mahr owed to the wife, electricity bill which is due, gas bill which is due, water bill which is due, telephone bill which is due, rent which is due, any expenditure which is due, salaries of any staff employed. Total amount. Once you have calculated all of the above minus the total amount for 2 from the total amount of 1, whatever amount remains, zakat is due on 2.5% of that total. Currently, the nisab of zakat is approximately 51,000 Pakistani rupees. Point to be noted, it is impermissible, haram, to take out an insurance policy. If someone has already taken out an insurance policy, however, then zakat is due upon the amount which has been paid towards it.